My dear brothers and sisters, how are you today? I hope you all doing well. Today I am on pair NZD USD and I see the opportunity to sell. So what is the reason for selling here? In 5 minutes time frame we have dominant break sell, so we can use here Fibonacci retracement like this. When we have dominant break we can use Fibonacci retracement. So I expect to price drop to first entry zone according to Fibonacci retracement. If you still don't know about Fibonacci retracement and its setting, I have uploaded a short video into my YouTube channel. You can watch that video and you can get all the correct settings for this Fibonacci retracement. We do not good enough only have Fibonacci retracement, so normally I am installing awesome oscillator to check there we have divergent or not. So in this case we have divergent setup, so price will make a reversal or pullback in this case. So we have another confirmation here, price to drop here. Here you can see the price is in the sell zone in RSI indicator, so we can get some idea about the price will be dropped here according to these RSI indicators. Watch my short videos to get RSI setting. I'm using small lot size because my capital is very small. Also I am placed here some pending orders. I have late to enter this trade, that's why I place the pending sell orders here, because we can have moving average 5 10 high area to enter sell. Let's see what will happen. Okay, my brothers and sisters, price has reacted well according to our setup. Price has dropped and profit is over $36. Now I am closing few of my orders and will hold only one order with the break even to secure my money, because I hoping price will drop till the nearest demand zone. When you draw the trend line like this, we can get an idea how far price drop. Also price can drop even further. My dear brothers and sisters, practice these strategies on your demo account because these strategies will work definitely. See you next video.
Folks, thanks for inviting us into your phones. We will see you next time if the vibe is right.